Hello, welcome back. This is the resume template for anyone who is looking for work. So in this template, we have three different colors. That is the default, which is the light gray, the light blue, and the light purple. So when you get this template, you'll either choose one of the colors you want and you customize it to your own taste. So let's go into all these three resume and see what it looks inside. I'm sorry, I am not a native of English, so my English is kind of bad. Please just bear with me. I hope you'll understand me. Thank you for your understanding. So let's open the default one, which is the light gray, and see what we have inside. So this is how it looks. First of all, here you'll put your name, and this picture you need to remove it and replace with your own picture. But when you want to replace it with your own picture, you have to go to Canva and then edit it in a circle form like this one so that it can look more professional. And here is the profile or about me section. This is how it looks. And if you can see, around this side is the contact section. Here is the contact section. You have here the links, that is the portfolio or the website. And you have the languages, the publication, the skills. And on the right hand side, you will have your education. You can put as much education careers you go through as you want, and the degrees you have as well. And here is the work experience. Below the work experience, you have to put your role, and you'll come here, you'll have the awards that you have and the references as well. So this is it. When you get this template, then you can customize it to your own taste so that it matches your preferences. You get it right? So let's go back to the other one. This is the blue color. If you don't like the first one, all the information are all the same exactly. The only difference is like the colors that have been changed. This is the light blue. You look very, very beautiful. You just have to change it to your own liking. The skills you got, the publication, or if you don't have the publication, you can replace it here with like let me say it, like your hobbies here. Instead of publication, you can put here your hobbies and you list them here, your hobbies below here. See, and the languages you speak. If you don't have a website also or a portfolio, no problem, you can remove this. Yeah, it's very simple. If you have any problem, just send me a message on my contact form and I'll be there to reply immediately as soon as I get your message. So this is it. In here also, you have to change your name. You change the cover if you prefer this template, the light blue. So let's go back to the light purple. That is the last color we have, and see what we have here. This is how it looks. First, you have the image, which I told you earlier on. If you want to change it, you have to go to Canva and search for a circle image. Then you replace it with your own image. Then you come here to Notion and put there your own. You change your name, and here your profile or your about me, you put what fits you. And you have here the contact. That is your email, your address, your phone number, the link, that is your portfolio, and your website, the languages, publication, skills. And on the right hand side, you have to put your education as well. You see, this is very, 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 very beautiful. And work experience, you put it there, your honors and your awards, put it there, your references, you put it there, all of it. It is so, so beautiful. I hope this will make an impact on your job hunt, and I think this is so, so professional. I don't want to waste much of your time. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.